Hello guys, today I will show you how you can unlock the full potential for Google TV and how to install hidden apps. Probably you already encountered that problem when you try to search for application, you cannot find it. Let's say we try to install Google Chrome browser and it's not on the marketplace here. Okay, so let's proceed. We need to go to settings here. We go down to system. We go to about. We find the Android tvOS build and we click many times. Now it says at the bottom you are now a developer, and this is what we need. So next we will install the application called TV Bro. TV Bro. TV Bro is the browser specifically adapted for TV screens. It's officially available and you can install it on Google TV in any time. So next we will try to search for. Here guys I have an example of application which I cannot install officially through application list. It says your device is not compatible with this version, it means platform, so I just go back and I will try to find another source of this application. Let's say I go here to APK Pure and I will try to download it from here. I scroll down until I see that download APK button. I press OK. Here you see the button download started file will be stored at. So I go here by this arrow at the top. Press here. Here you can see quick shortcut maker. So I press OK. Here is very important settings. I press on it. It asks you to allow installing applications from a known source specifically for TV Bro. I did allow it. Now it tells me to install or update, whatever. Here it's asking extra step to confirm I want to install it. Yes, I do want to install it. Now I click done. So this is how you install applications through TV Bro. It will only ask you once about this one to confirm installing applications from TV Bro. And if I go back here, you can see what quick shortcut maker, it's the hidden application. It's not appeared here, even we installed it. So we go to settings here. We go here to apps. And we do see all apps. And we look for our quick shortcut maker. You see it's here, and if I choose open, I can open it from here. Okay? And why this application is good, let's say there are hidden options what you can find through Google TV interface in settings or somewhere else. And now I will use the keyboard and mouse. Here I have my keyboard and touchpad and I will use it to navigate it. That's why it's very useful to have extra USB port on 4K Pro Streamer. So I do here in a search field, I type unknown sources. You already see it found something. And the problem here, my remote control is not fully working here. Here I press that with remote and it doesn't work. But once I choose the keyboard, I click once and it works. Here you can create the shortcut to it, or you can just try it. And you can see we can go here and revoke that permission or put it back, because this particular menu is hidden on Google TV operating system. You cannot find it anywhere, at least me, I didn't find it. So you see how useful could be different applications. Okay, now I get back to TV Bro. I will try to show you how I can install Chrome browser as an example. It's not the best browser for TV, it's not optimized, but still as a test I will try to do this. APK Google Chrome. Okay, now I will look for Google Chrome. You can see usually many sites where you can pick your file to download. You should avoid Google Play because it definitely will tell you it will not compatible with your platform. Up to down is good, but sometimes it's versions it provides not compatible. I will pick APK Mirror because I know it will work. And I will tell you what to choose. There are different platforms and you need to choose the right architecture. So we go down to see available downloads. We are looking for ARM EABI v7. This is the architecture used in on 4K Pro Streamer, on Google Chromecast 4K, and I believe Google Streamer as well. So I click here. And it shows me it has a bundle. Bundle is not interesting for me, but we will see where we go. Here it says you need to download as well try Chrome library, etc. We want to avoid that. And here the variant I can see it says APK. I will try this one. And when you look at the size should be somewhere like 125 or 140. If this is the right size for the Chrome package, I will try to download it. I do OK. Okay, download started. Perfectly. Okay, you see that download progress here. Now I press OK. Install, and I press open. It works. It's not very fast. I wouldn't say it's optimized to use with the TV, definitely. Still, it's usable, I guess. Some lags. Okay. Again, you don't see the app here. You cannot add the link to it, and in order to start it, you need to go to settings. You go to apps section. You choose see all apps, and here you can see the Chrome. From here you can start it. Okay. Going back, another example how to install Brave, because I want to show you all possible variations what you can face. I go here, Brave. Okay. Okay, APK is preferable because it will download the application itself. However, this bundle is not good because it's ARM64. This one probably will not work. We need to choose this architecture, and this is the bundle. It's a good example because it will ask you to download one extra application. So we go here and we pick our version 7 to download. Yes, I know that so many windows, you go and go and go. Okay, it's starting the download now. You can see it. And if you look here, it says to install this bundle you will need APK mirror installer. So we need it, and I will install it right now. Okay, I installed it. We'll leave it for now. I get back. I just want to see if we finish the download. Here we have the Brave package, which is downloaded. We can try to open it from here or from APK mirror. Let's try it like that. You can see what APK mirror now appeared, and I'm asking to allow access to storage. But when I press OK, it is not doing anything. Let's try my mouse. If I press here, okay, it says couldn't find an activity to handle this action. This is okay. We know how to fix this. We go to settings, we go here, we descend to apps, we see all apps, we pick our APK mirror, we scroll down, we go to permissions, and here on the right, files and media, we pick the first one, allow management of all files. Once you allow it, it will open it. So we go back, we open here, open. Now I can browse files. I do this. I pick my Brave browser from here. We have some options here like delete file, open on APK mirror, but we choose install package. Okay. So it has different languages here, and you can pick them. English is already selected, but it's up to you. You can choose any language you speak. And the rest we leave as it is. I press install application. Now it's asking for permission to allow APK mirror to install applications from unknown sources. This is what we want. So we go back once, and you see it's doing the installation. It's not guaranteed what this version of Brave will work, but we need to try it first. Okay, it says it's installed. I go home. We can start it from here, but one more time, you can see the application is not here. It's hidden because Google doesn't want you to run applications it thinks is not compatible with this device. So we go to apps, see all apps, we see the Brave is here. We try to open it. We don't want to set it as default browser. And one more time I will use my mouse and keyboard here. We don't send anything, we don't share anything, continue. Okay. One more time. This application is not optimized to be used with remote control. However, you can try. Okay, so what we're gonna search? Xbox.com. Okay. Now I try to scroll down. Okay, I see what happened. So definitely it will be easier to navigate it with a mouse. So I try to go back to my menu. You see with a mouse it's way better. So I can go back to my Xbox.com. And this browser cuts all advertising, so if you kind of hate advertising, or at least it tries to cut all advertising. Okay, you see it's working, maybe even better than Google Chrome. Let's pick something, let's say here. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed to watch this video. I wish you interesting discoveries on this Google TV platform, and in my next video I will show you how you can connect external storage drives using a USB hub and how you can bypass the 4 GB file size limits using NTFS volumes. Thank you.